So I put the bobbin in the case, should go in nice and easy. I pull the thread through the slit, pull it up, kind of clicks into that little hole. And then as I hold it, I should be able to pull the thread and it should be turning clockwise direction. Now if you hold it like this, it's not gonna spin, so just be mindful about how you're holding it and give it a test. All you're doing is pulling the thread and making sure it turns the right way. Okay. If for some reason it's turning the wrong way, you just let it fall right out. Flip it around, put it again through that slit, up through the little hole. There we are. Pull the thread, and if it's going counterclockwise, it's the wrong way. But if it's going clockwise, it's correct. Okay, my thread's getting long. I'm gonna turn it. So we want it going clockwise. Okay, it's good. So now I can hold open the little lever. Again, it just really only opens up about 45 degrees and just enough room for my thumb and my index finger. And it should, the little clip should catch my bobbin so it doesn't fall out. So now this is how I'm going to insert it into the machine. If you put it in like this, there's a good chance your bobbin will fall out midway and you won't get it in correctly. So I know it's awkward, feels kind of weird, but you have to really just hold it like this and you'll be in business and it'll be really easy to put it in. Inside your machine, you should see a post. The post goes in here, and then the open part of your bobbin, that should go underneath the needle, okay? Okay, so I'm gonna put this bobbin case in inside this machine, and I'm gonna be mindful that this hole is going straight up so that the needle can go down. Sometimes students might accidentally like put it at an angle, and then the needle would break because it can't go through the metal. So you need to just make sure the way you're holding it is that this whole part would be at the top so that won't, you know, the needle can kind of catch their thread. So I'm gonna go underneath the machine, right? And I don't know if you can see it in my hand, I'm underneath here. And there's a little post. So let me see if I can zoom in on the post. You should see the post. And now I'm going to go ahead and put the bobbin just in through the post. And it should go in super easy, no problem. And that just closes automatically. If you're having to force it, it might be in the wrong direction, or maybe your bobbin kind of fell out. It should just slide in so easy.